हाय, मैं हूँ प्रियंका चोपड़ा और आप देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
Some of the most important battles are the ones you fight in your own mind with your own self. That's what Priyanka Chopra tweeted a few days back, and we have with us Priyanka Chopra once again. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hangama. And tell us something about this line that you have tweeted along with the quote of Muhammad Ali: "The fight is won or lost far away from the witnesses behind the lines in the gym, out there on the road, long before I dance under those lights." So tell us something about this line of Muhammad Ali and the way you've improvised your own version to that as well.
Well, for me, I think your mind is what makes you a winner or a failure. It is the determination with which you start your first race, when you start running, or when you get into the ring, or when you start your day. And if you can control your mind, you have incredible ability to be able to control your sport or your passion or whatever you do. And हम लोगों के लिए छोटी चीज़, like for me to come to work every morning, even if I've slept 3 hours or even if I've slept 2 hours, I come with an enthusiasm because I tell myself in my mind I love what I do. And for me, that is most important. Winners and losers are decided by what you think yourself as. अपने आप को आप चवन्नी के भाव पे बेचोगे तो आपको लोग चवन्नी देंगे, अपने आप को 100 रुपए का नोट समझोगे तो 100 रुपए देंगे.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. First of all, I think you're looking beautiful actually.
Thank you.
Very different from what we would have expected, like a Mary Com.
What did you expect? मैं gloves वॉल्स पहन के आऊँगी.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually ये मेरे साथ हुआ था, you know.
Right.
When I met Mary for the first time, I was expecting exactly that. कि वो hood wood पहन के आएगी, थोड़ा सा you know macho एकदम. But she came in a chiffon dress with glitter nail polish, eyeshadow on her eyes, red lipstick and straight hair. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आप एक बॉक्सर होते होते फेमिनिन क्यों नहीं हो सकते.
Right.
I think that's the beauty of Mary Com.
No, absolutely, absolutely. And apparently her husband was I think just looking for, maybe there could have been some kisses and everything in the movie. What exactly is the story behind that?
Me and Mary, I think मैं अपनी ना कि धरती फट जाती और मैं अंदर चली जाऊँ. मेरी सिचुएशन ऐसी हो गई थी. तो ऑनलर बोलता है मुझसे, वो भी स्टेज पे, How do you think we had 2 children? Are you showing that in the movie? I said, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? हम चाहते कि पूरी दुनिया देखे ये फिल्म. He said, yeah, but babies भी तो हुए हैं. डांस नहीं करवा रहे हो, गाना नहीं गवा रहे हो, ये कोई तरीका होता है? So I said, Honor, please, we want a U or a UA certificate. हमारे साथ ऐसा मत करो.
Basically, he wanted him to be in action as well.
मैं थोड़ा romantic heroes की तरह, मैं क्यों hugging kissing नहीं कर रहा.
All right, but this movie, you've given a lot to this film in terms of physicality as well. I was reading your interview that there have been you've given your blood to this movie, and there have been, I think, one thumb of yours. Apparently, it has been. This one has
actually,
been affected
it was a requirement of the film. हर फिल्म की requirement के हिसाब से मैं अपना 100% देती हूँ. अब कुछ फिल्में होती हैं जिनमें इतनी चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए. इस फिल्म में चाहिए थी. अब एक बॉक्सर का रोल निभा रही हूँ, सो इट्स माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, मेरा फ़र्ज़ होता है कि मैं लगूँ ना बॉक्सर की तरह. इफ़ आई डिडंट लुक लाइक अ बॉक्सर, सिर्फ ग्लव्स पहन के खड़ा होना थोड़ी ना. एंड दिस एक्चुअली वाज द लास्ट स्क्रिप्ट माई डैड हर्ड.
राइट.
तो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था कि देखो, my dad was also a sportsman, my mom was also a sportsman. Both, my mom used to javelin throw, she used to be in races, so they both had been in sports and I never did. So my dad had told me one thing कि ये ना लोग जो expect करेंगे एक हिंदी फिल्म हीरोइन को बॉक्सर बनते हुए, वो मत करना. Look like a boxer, feel like a boxer. So
and it was a risk as well. No. Because you know, in a way, if it is not convincing, then people will have issues with that you're playing a boxer, but maybe you're not looking like a boxer.
I'll never do a role which is not convincing.
Right. But
whether people like the film or not,
yeah, right.
I'll always be convincing. I'm that kind of actor. आपको फिल्म पसंद आए या नहीं, वो मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकती.
Right.
लेकिन जो मैं किरदार प्ले कर रही हूँ, I'll always be convincing in that. That I never debate about myself because I work that hard. हार्ड वर्क का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं होता और हार्ड वर्क को आप कभी डिनाई नहीं कर सकते. सो आई न्यू दैट आई वुड डू इन दिस मूवी. आई जस्ट डिडंट नो मैं अपने आप को कैसे बॉक्सर बनने में व्हाट ऑल इट वुड टेक.
राइट.
आई हैड टू लर्न द स्पोर्ट. ऑफ कोर्स आई हैड टू गो टू द जिम टू लुक to build my body like that, and which I had a problem with because I was shooting Gunde that time, I was promoting Krish that time, I was doing Ramleela ka Gana that time, and I had become very bulky for the movie. So in fact in Gunde and in Ramleela मुझे full sleeves दिए गए थे so that it would cover my biceps.
And all this. My question basically was that the boxers they train for their entire life, and you had 3 months to just get into the shape, and a lot of I think work went to it. So my primarily thing was that it's not easy that itne kam time mein us shape mein aana.
Also,
and then to just
as
look
a woman.
convincing. I was saying from that context.
Yeah, also as a girl, it's really hard.
It takes time for-
You train, you go to the gym, you've been working on changing the shape of your body. You know how difficult it is. Especially as a girl, हमारा constitution नहीं है with that kind of hormones which support it.
Right.
We don't have the testosterone to become buff. So my trainer Prashant had to put me on a specific regime in the gym so that I become bigger. I had to bulk up.
And
My
diet
shoulders,
as
and my
well.
back, and my arms needed to look bulky. So heavier weights, less reps. I had to. I mean, you understand the language. A lot of people know. But stuff like that. Diet.
And
was
diet
very
as
high
well.
protein.
Diet is very diet.
High protein diet. I can't do it ever again.
Lots of vegetables and all that. इनफैक्ट आपने क्रिश के इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि दैट ये मैं तो कुछ भी खाती रहती हूँ, ये लोग पत्ते वत्ते खाते हैं.
वही तो you know
Right.
ऋतिक ने मुझे क्या बोला?
Right.
वो मेरे को देख के ऐसे हंसता रहा जब मैंने ये फिल्म साइन की. ऐसे why are you laughing? He said ये पनिशमेंट है.
Right.
हम लोगों के सामने बैठ के बर्गर खाती थी ना, जब हम सलाद खाते थे. अब देख खाओ सैलेड.
All right, now the buzz at the box office is quite positive in terms of the opening and all these things. That is something that is very, very important for you. Tell us something about the sort of I think vibrations you're getting from within the market, and I'm sure that you must be interacting with distributors and exhibitors and all these people. So what sort of
Actually,
vibrations
you
are you
know,
getting right
I
now?
have no idea of numbers. मैं बहुत क्रिएटिव इंसान हूँ. मुझे ना मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ ओपनिंग नंबर्स वगैरह में. मुझे कोई ना कोई बता ही देगा ना फ्राइडे को. संजय सर का फोन आ जाएगा, बोल देंगे अच्छी ओपनिंग लगी नहीं लगी. इफ आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट ना, देन आई लूज द मैजिक, मेरे लिए at least. The buzz in terms of after people saw the first poster, after they saw the first trailer, after they've been seeing stuff of the film, has been very positive. Especially when the first look came out of the film.
Right.
I didn't expect that. I think my itne saalon I was living with it for so many months, so I didn't realize how different my body looked or how different I looked. But when people saw it, and especially the film industry, you know, your colleagues, your friends, when they supported it so much, you know, it felt really great.
Right. And now with Dawat-e-Ishq being shifted, it's a solo release. So I'm sure that it definitely adds to the entire
Of course, I'm
numbers
sure it
game as well.
does, for sure. It'll obviously add to the number game, us being a solo release.
Right. All right. And now one of your interviews in recent times has become quite being talked about, and in fact you were
वो तो
asked.
मेरी आदत है.
You're being asked that despite you doing so many good films, why is it that the number one slot is always oscillating between Katrina Kaif or Deepika Padukone? Does it bother you? So you've said that so if a girl does a big film with the heroes, only then she becomes a number one heroine. That's what you've said. You know, there will be people who'll say that like a Deepika Padukone in Ram Leela.
But that is exactly my point. My entire answer was not. It was divided between my question and answer, which is why it sounds the way it did. What I had said was, this was an answer to something else. For me, a number one slot is so fickle. It comes between everyone and anyone. The top 5 actors and actresses, according to me, are number one. क्योंकि हर फिल्म के बाद ना वही सब शफल होते हैं, वही ऊपर नीचे होते हैं. आमिर हो गया, नहीं तो सलमान हो गया, नहीं दीपिका होगी, नहीं कटरीना होगी, नहीं करीना होगी, नहीं प्रिया. It keeps going round and round with the same top 5 actors. तो आप टॉप 5 कर सकते हो, आप नंबर 1, 2 तो लाइफ में नहीं कर सकते. और मेरे हिसाब से जो मेरे सारे कंटेम्प्रेरीज हैं वो मुझसे बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं. ओके, आई एम नॉट 1, 2, 3, आई एम नॉट इवन 10, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी in the work that I do. My point in this is, we were talking about the 100 Crore Club, and my point is, I have been part of a few 100 crore films, but you cannot give me the credit for a Krish or a Dawn or a Agnipath. I am a supporting actor in those 3 films.
Right.
But you cannot not give me credit in a Barfi. You cannot not give Deepika Padukone credit for Chennai Express. No one can do Minamma like she has done. Or in Ram Leela. You cannot not give Katrina Kaif credit for Rajniti. कोई नहीं कर सकता वो रोल जिस तरह उसने किया. शायद कोई और अगर एक्ट्रेस आई, they'll bring their own thing into it. But the way those films became because of these actresses, for me, that is important. Those are 100 crore films. Those are films that need to be credited to these actresses. That was what the point that I was trying to make, which got
Right.
as usual misconstrued into something else.
You also asked that do you feel challenged by the younger actresses today? So you mentioned that they are hugely talented. Alia, Shraddha and Pariniti to me are really stars to look out for. They are great kids, great girls and supremely talented. But I also know that there is no one who can do what I do. I don't know what it is, but whatever I do, I know that I add something to it, be it small or big. There is a quality about me that is very individual to me.
I
Priyanka
believe
Chopra
every
brings-
actor
Right.
is signed because they bring something to a film which is individual to them. And those actors become stars who have that individuality. I have become what I am today because somewhere the audience feels, यार इसको देखने में अच्छा लगता है. The same way it happens with my contemporaries, the same way it will happen for the next generation and the next generation, whether it's male or female. We don't like me too's. जब भी कोई आता है ना जो किसी और की तरह है, audience को नहीं अच्छा लगता. You have to have individuality. So I am very content in my individuality. Whether it's Pariniti, Alia or Shraddha, I think they are supremely talented. I always call them up after their work and talk to them about the work that they do because I think they're the generation forward. I don't have insecurities because by God's grace I'm doing really great work. And जब तक मुझे लोग देखना पसंद करेंगे मैं दिखाई दूंगी. जब नहीं देखना पसंद करेंगे मैं कुछ और करूंगी.
A lot of actresses and a lot of fans of various actresses, they are really having this benchmark of what you've tried to do in Mary Kom. The way we've seen it so far that Priyanka कर रही है, आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? Women oriented stuff, why are you not doing it as it? So somewhere you become in a way like a symbol for female oriented roles that a lot of actresses have been shying away from. Rani has done I think wonderfully in Mardani in recent times, so both of you somewhere are being spoken about. Do you take it as a compliment?
First of all, मुझे तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इस बात से है कि हम इस फिल्म को वुमन ओरिएंटेड बोलेंगे, बट इफ यू सी अ हीरो इन द सेम पोस्टर यू विल नेवर कॉल इट अ मेल ओरिएंटेड फिल्म. जेंडर बायस से वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. एज a female actress, if I have to represent female actresses and say, because I'm honest and I always get into trouble because of my honesty, the fact is that see the film for what it is ना. अगर इसमें लड़का हो या लड़की हो, सपोज ये कहानी विजेंद्र सिंह के ऊपर होती और इसको कोई हीरो कर रहा होता, आप नहीं कहते ना ये मेल डोमिनेटेड फिल्म जो हम देखने जा रहे हैं.
To be honest, it's not about the gender bias, but the idea
Point
is
of your
that
question.
you know more meatier rather than playing second fiddle to the
Oh,
heroes.
but that's I gave
it's
you
like a
examples
more,
of 4 films
Yeah,
right now.
That is,
where
I totally
girls,
agree with
you
that.
cannot take
I
credit
totally-
away from those
Ram
girls.
Leela and Chennai
Yeah,
Express
you
as well.
can't.
That is something that
You-
is definitely there.
exactly, and that is the change in the movie business today. You'll see it's a brilliant change. जहाँ पे लड़कियों को जो पिछले 10-15 सालों में नहीं हो रहा था, आजकल चाहे आप फैशन देख लो, डर्टी पिक्चर कहानी देख लो, क्वीन देख लो, मर्दानी देख लो, मैरी कॉम देख लो, these are female centric incredible movies, but at the same time you'll see in commercial mainstream films with main heroes you will see girls making a space for themselves, like for example Ram Leela, Chennai Express, Rajneeti, which was an ensemble but Katrina Kaif stood out. Me and Ileana in Barfi, it was a 100 crore film, big, stood out. You can't deny the girls anymore. And writers are writing it. That's the beauty of the change that is happening. But to me, it is very difficult and it's scary for an actor, female, to stand on the poster yourself. It's a very dicey situation because we are such a male-dominated world, whether it's Bollywood or Hollywood. People watch a film and say, अरे आर्टी होगी या female oriented film है, उसको आप automatically niche में डाल देते हो. Till that changes, which I hope it does because I see it changing. Slowly you will see this beautiful change happening where you see people watching a film because अच्छी film है. You watch मर्दानी से रानी यार fabulous, क्या तोड़ा है, क्या फोड़ा है and all great. Female or it's a good film. Mary Kom, inshallah, hopefully people will think it's a good film. When I did fashion, everybody had told me कि हीरोइंस की फिल्में कोई नहीं देखता, करियर के एंड में हीरोइंस करती हैं. I did it 2 years into being in the business. Etraz, when I did that role,
Yeah, Etraz for sure. Etraz
everyone
for sure.
told me
Right,
it's a
right.
mainstream character. You can't take that away from me. It had Akshay Kumar, Kareena Kapoor at that time. It's the parts that you pick and choose. And I hope with more actresses doing films like that, it'll change for the future. It'll change for women. It'll bring women in an empowered space in the movie industry. And more actresses are doing it. You see how many of us are doing it now. It's not just 1 or 2. The difficulty with it is, Faridun, we have to do commercially successful films जिसमें शायद हमारे पास छोटा रोल हो, We have to do those films to be able to do a film.
You've said that before. You've said that before.
And I
as well,
really
right?
believe it.
Priyanka, we've taken some questions from your fans. There are too many of them. Let's see how many we can possibly take it. This is Meghani from Sri Lanka. Since you're playing a character who's still alive, did you take any precautions?
No, actually, I didn't take any precautions. My only precaution was making sure that I represented Mary's personality to the best that I could. I don't look like her, my features are not like her, but her spirit needed to come in her zabani in this movie. So I spent a lot of time with her. I used to talk to her on the phone all the time. मैं उसको रात को उठा देती थी कभी कभी कि यार इस सीन में ना तुमने जब बोला था तुम what were you thinking? But it was an edge for me because I had somebody मेरी हम उम्र है. I became friends with her. I could call her, I could understand her psyche, I could understand her space. So it really helped me to be able to portray her the best that I could.
Are you really sad about the fact that there are issues with it releasing in Manipur? Because I'm sure that Manipuris should be watching this film.
Yes, they should. But Hindi films have been banned for more than a decade in Manipur. It is not only this film.
I know.
So no, most people get confused. They think that Mary Com नहीं दिखा.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं है. Hindi films have been banned. हमने सोचा था शायद होपफुली बिकॉज मेरी कॉम मेरी पे आधारित है, उसकी ज़िंदगी पे आधारित है, जो यू नो वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट आइकॉन्स हैं मणिपुर से जो आई, डिंको सिंह के बाद आई थिंक मेरी कॉम इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आइकॉन्स दैट हैव कम आउट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स आइकॉन्स दैट हैव कम आउट ऑफ मणिपुर.
थोइबा सिंह हॉकी प्लेयर.
यस, बट वी न्यू सो मच मोर अबाउट डिंको सिंह ना. डिंको सिंह और वो मेरी का अपना she idolized him a lot.
Right.
But so many champions. The Northeast has given us so many
No,
champions.
amazing stuff.
And I wish that this film would release there. But it's हमारे से बड़ी बात है. It's a government thing. हमने अपनी तरफ से कोशिश की. मेरी ने खुद अपनी तरफ से कोशिश की.
Yeah.
बाकी it's not in our hands.
That is Rajbala from Rajasthan. How hard was it to shed all those muscles?
Shedding it, Rajmala. Thank you for asking this question. कोई पूछता ही नहीं है मुझसे ये सवाल. सब पूछते हैं कि बनाया कैसे. But it was very difficult. अभी भी नहीं गए पूरी तरह. But for Zoya's film, I play a completely opposite character. I play a very feminine, very gentle, soft girl. And I started shooting only 25 days after Mary Com. So Zoya had very clearly told me that you can't be in this shape when you come for my movie. And so I had to go on a very crash diet. I had to lose a lot of weight because I had put on a lot of bulk. And I had to lose it. I'm still trying to lose it.
Okay, this is Naiza from Russia. What is your favorite song from Mary Com? Nice music.
Thank you.
Nice songs.
Thank you. Music of Mary Com is lovely. I really like it. मुझे जिद्दी दिल बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but I love अधूरे.
Right.
अधूरे and Sunidhi's
And even
voice.
I think the lyrics are very nice in that.
So beautifully written, so beautifully कि it's about her passion and how she's अधूरा without it. I think it's so poignant and हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में ये होता है कभी-कभी. You have to give up something that you love for something else, which you may not want to, लेकिन वो catch-22 ज़िंदगी में आ ही जाता है कभी-कभी. And you are incomplete without it. It's a beautiful song.
Yeah, Sukoon Mila, I think is beautiful. A lot of your fans have been requesting if you can just hum a couple of lines from Ziddi Dil if possible.
Ziddi Dil मुझसे नहीं आया. विशाल ददलानी has killed it. और मैं सुबह से बात कर रही हूँ. I'll sound like a chorus right now if I sing.
So आप कौन सा आप सुनाना चाहेंगे?
मैंने जो गाना गाया.
लोरी.
जो मैंने गाना गाया.
Right. Please, sure.
तेरी मैं बलाएं लूं, तुझे मैं दुआएं दूं, तुझको मैं सपनों के साए दूं. उससे ज़्यादा मत.
नहीं, not
I'm
at all.
really sounding like a chorus.
It's fantastic. All right, this is Sambit Samal, who is the music director and lead actor of Madam G.
Lead actor is me. Again,
Like in terms
this
of
is my first Priyanka
male
Chopra
co-star.
in and as.
Right.
Madam G will also be, I think,
Right.
in and as. I'm playing the title part. I don't know who else is cast. It's an ensemble cast. It's
Right.
not just me. It'll have a lot of people in the casting. We are still finalizing the HODs and the lead cast in the movie right now.
Right.
And the music also we don't know yet.
Right. Looking forward to working with Madhur Bhandarkar once again.
Yeah, I'm really happy. For me, Madhur was the perfect choice for my first director in my
Today is his
production
birthday, in
house.
fact.
Yeah. क्या time पे हम बात कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में. But Madhur and I, you know, when I did fashion, I was very inexperienced in movies, but he still trusted me with my ideas, my suggestions. He helped me make fashion mine. He allowed me. He gave me respect as a creative thinking person, and
Right.
I admire him for that. So I'm really happy that he agreed to be my first director in my production house and do Madam G for me.
Great, yeah, you're turning a producer with this movie, Purple Pebble Pictures, that's your production house.
Yes.
You know, a lot of people are speculating that maybe Mary Com is a national award winning performance, so after fashion, Is it something that you think about?
Awards के लिए
You've seen the
सोच
film and
I have, but मेरे को अपनी हर फिल्म मुगले आजम लगती है.
that's a good headline actually.
It's very true. I तो
Right.
believe कि मैं बहुत biased हूँ अपनी फिल्मों के साथ.
Right.
जब मैं देखती हूँ वाह वाह वाह, सिर्फ अपने साथ नहीं, मुझे पूरी फिल्म बहुत enjoy करती हूँ मैं.
Right.
तो when they don't do well मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि यार क्यों नहीं अच्छी लगी, मुझे तो बड़ी अच्छी लगी. So I don't know, but if you work for awards, you'll see it. कि यार ये सीन ना ज़्यादा चिल्लाई है कि मेरे को एक्टिंग आती है ज़ोर ज़ोर से. I don't think so. I think the most sensitively, the more honest you are to your character. सबसे बड़ा award मेरे लिए love and appreciation है. Awards मिलेंगे, great bonus. मैं सबसे पहले stage पे जाके बोलूँगी thank you to everyone. नहीं मिलेंगे, of course बुरा लगता है कभी-कभी, हुआ है मेरे साथ पहले भी. But as long as people say, as an actor, हम सिर्फ वही crave करते हैं कि लोग applause करें, आप स्पॉटलाइट में खड़े हैं और लोग आपकी तारीफ़ करें, आपके काम की तारीफ़ करें, क्योंकि वही एक चीज़ होता है हमारे पास और कुछ होता नहीं है कहने के लिए, दिखाने के लिए.
Right.
We are alive because people like our work. We are alive as actors. Our career, our hopes, our dreams. हमें और कुछ आता ही नहीं है, तो उसके लिए काम करना ज़रूरी है. And उसके साथ अगर awards मिल जाए, of course it's a great bonus, big encouragement.
Right.
But sometimes it doesn't happen यार. तो क्या करोगे आप?
No, I think, I hope it happens. This is a very interesting one. Siptan from Johannesburg, South
Siptan
Africa.
is one of my Twitter rock stars. Hi Siptan.
If someone were to make a biopic on your life, what would you want it to be called? That's an interesting question actually.
Please don't make a biopic on my life. I have lots to hide. No, I'm just joking. I think I have too much to do right now. I have not reached a point जहाँ पे मेरी ज़िंदगी के ऊपर आधारित किरदार बन सकता है. बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हूँ मैं.
Right.
And the question was, who would I want to play me?
नहीं. What would you want it to be called?
I have no idea.
आप अपनी मतलब बायोग्राफी को
Irreplaceable.
irreplaceable. क्या बात है. That's a good one. This is Zoya from Karachi, Pakistan. Are you excited to work with Deepika and Bajirao Mastani?
Yeah, I'm actually very excited to work with Deepika, Ranveer again. Ranveer तो मेरा constant हो गया, constant co-actor. We're going back to back from films. But also Sanjay sir. I'm a huge Sanjay sir fan. He's given me a wonderful role in this film. I've never done a period film. I'm working with my friends, and that's always a good thing. You know, when you come onto a film and you work with friends, it's a really माहौल अच्छा होता है. And I think Sanjay sir is one of the greatest filmmakers we have in the country.
Right.
He's very, very dear to me since he's come into my life. He's been a huge guiding force for me, and I'm really happy that he trusts me with this film.
Right, and there are talks that apparently there's a song with you and Deepika. There's a face-off between
मुझे
you and
पता
Deepika.
नहीं
like
उसके
a
बारे
Dora.
में अभी.
Right.
Sanjay sir is working on Bajirao. I haven't done any work on it because I've been so focused on Mary Kom and Dil Dhadakne Do. Once I finish this, then I get into Bajirao and Madam Ji.
This is interesting. Rajbala from Rajasthan. Will we see you donning the director's cap in future? Will you direct at any point of
अभी
time?
एक चीज़ तो की है मैंने. अभी तो I'm very nervous about this whole producer
Right.
thing. मेरी हमें जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती है ना प्रोडक्शंस में जब हम एक्टर्स काम करते हैं, तो मी एंड माई टीम आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व, आई मीन मेक श्योर दैट दोज प्रॉब्लम्स डोंट हैपन इन आवर प्रोडक्शन हाउस. यू नो, खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, टाइमिंग्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए, लोग अच्छे होने चाहिए. ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो आई डोंट नो, डायरेक्शन बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. बहुत कम डायरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने अपना ब्रांड बनाया है, जिनकी अपनी एक ऑडियंस होती है, एंड मुझ में अभी तक वो एबिलिटी नहीं है. I think I still have to learn a lot more about films.
Okay, this is Sunny Kanwar from Chandigarh. What is the running time of Mary Kom?
1 hour 55 minutes.
1 hour 55 minutes.
Yes.
This is interesting. Stacy from New York. How is the journey from not knowing boxing at all to looking and fighting like a pro boxer?
I'm looking and fighting like a pro boxer for sure. Hi Stacey. But I'm also a boxer today.
Right.
And to me, that's a really great achievement that I will take away for the rest of my life. आप मुझे रिंग में डाल दें, शायद मैं जीतूँ ना, लेकिन मैं खेल सकती हूँ. मुझे अपने आप को डिफेंड करना आता है, मुझे अपने आप को गार्ड करना आता है. मैंने पूरा स्पोर्ट सीखा है. तो I may be last on the list, but at least मैं खेल सकती हूँ, and I feel really proud about that.
This is Jenny from Germany. How did it feel to know the person you play is still alive and might be the hardest judge?
I was very nervous about it when Mary saw the film with her husband, and I was shooting in Turkey for Dil Dhadakne Do.
Right.
और मेरी बात हुई Umang ने फ़ोन किया immediately after she saw the film, and she started crying, and then I started crying, and then everybody started crying. The fact that Mary ने मुझे इतना बड़ा affirmation दिया है इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी रिलीफ की बात है, क्योंकि मैं उसको प्ले कर रही हूँ। ये फिल्म उसकी अपनी फ़ोटो एल्बम है। शी सेड दैट वेरी नाइसली द अदर डे कि जब मेरे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन होंगे वो इस फिल्म को देख के सब कुछ जान जाएंगे मेरे बारे में, मेरी शुरुआत के बारे में, मेरे स्ट्रगल के बारे में। एंड वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑनर और मेरे ने मेरे कंधों पे डाली थी। सो आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस, लेकिन उसको अच्छी लगी फिल्म और वो रोई, एटलीस्ट 3-4 बार फिल्म में रोई। सो बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी टचिंग मूवी, इट्स अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग मूवी। So I was very happy about that.
Fantastic. So as Farhan Akhtar has said that Milkha ka Meri ko salam. So we genuinely hope that Milkha was a 100 crore film, and we hope that Mary Kom achieves that as well. And all the best for
100
Mary
crore
Kom.
उनको पड़ाव मत डालो.
Right.
I hope it's a successful film.
Right.
You know, this film inspired me so much as a person. I'm telling you कि मुझे सच में अब लगने लगा है कि मेरे सपनों को कोई छोटा नहीं बोल सकता है। कि अगर मैं किसी अनअचीवेबल चीज़ के पीछे पड़ जाऊँ या मुझे कुछ अच्छा लगे कि मैं कहूँ कि यार मुझे ये करना है, नो वन कैन से यू कांट डू इट बिकॉज इट्स इन माई हैंड्स. I suddenly feel empowered, and I really hope this film does that for young people all over, because we are one of the youngest countries in the world. I've always said 60% of our population is under 35, and that youth needs a direction, and this is a girl who found direction without anything. She's a rice farmer's daughter in a small gaon outside of Manipur. Today, she is a 5-time world champion and Olympic medalist, and still playing. She's still training for the Asian
Commonwealth Games. I think she's going for that.
Asian Games.
Right.
So it's incredible, and that's a really inspiring story. I hope, of course, the film is successful. I don't want to put like, you know,
100
a
crore
padao on
bracket
it. I don't know.
Right.
That's a big number. हम एक छोटी सी फिल्म है. I don't know if that can ever be achieved.
You know, but it was being said about Milkha as well that that how will it be a successful film or not, because it's like the duration was long. Farhan
Yeah, but with girls it doesn't happen. I mean, it hasn't happened yet.
I hope it happens.
I hope so too.
I hope it happens.
But I don't want to put that pressure on the movie. It's a small movie. We've made it with a lot of love.
Right.
People should watch it, like it, get inspired by it, and I hope it is successful for Viacom and Sanjay sir. And I hope, because it'll be a big step towards female-centric films.
Fantastic. All the best for that, and thank you for being on Borderanga once again.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. That's all from Borderanga. Keep on watching.